Today we're going to Costa Rica. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to Costa Rica on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill. We'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, soap and shampoo, a raincoat, a hat, sunscreen, a camera, a water bottle, insect repellent, comfortable walking shoes, a headlamp, dry bags, a waterproof phone case, and a backpack. Not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you the most insightful information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you bringing the absolute best version of it. You never know when you'll need a little extra light on the road. To avoid draining your phone battery by using its flashlight, pack your own, or better yet, bring a headlamp. Sure, they can look a little bit goofy, but you'll have the hands-free ability to light your way in the dark. If you're too concerned about looking a little silly, a regular flashlight will do. You're traveling to the rainforest, and it's right there in the name. Things are gonna get wet. If you're moving from place to place, packing wet clothing is something you want to avoid. Pick up a few dry bags, which were specifically made to prevent water from coming in or going out, and pack your soggy gear worry-free. These days, you probably capture most of your travel memories on your phone, which means you'll want to keep it safe. And like we said, things might get rainy. Get a good waterproof case for your phone, that way you can still snap photos, take videos, and post to the gram without worrying about damaging your most precious possession. And that's it! This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Have a great trip.